Hello, this is Sufyan, serial number 2124320. Within this video, I'm going to walk through the frontend file or folder that I've created for my function using React application. So within the application folder, React application folder, I define a component folder within the source folder to add my components to call them later from the app.js. So here's the React component named donation, and it basically renders a form to accept user donation. It uses the use state, as we can see here, and here to manage the state of the selected items, and also it uses the useRef, as we can see here, to refer to the input field of the form. The component is also imports the Axios, as you can see, and the email.js to libraries for making HTTP requests and sending email.js respectively. The component basically, it has two main sections. The first section, as we can see here, that is being returned, it displays the list of food items and allows the users to select the quantity of each item to donate. And the second section, which is this form, is basically collects the user personal details such as first name, last name, email, telephone, and address. The component has two main methods. One is validate form, which starts from here and ends here. The validate method checks whether the user has selected at least one item and filled in all the required form fields. If the form is valid, it returns true, otherwise it returns false, as we can see here. The handle submit method is the second method. So this method is called when the user clicks on the submit button, and it sends a post request to the backend server that we have explained earlier, using Axios to save the donation details to the database. It also sends an email confirmation using email.js, and we set the form after the submission, as we can see here. After successful sending, it sends or calls a method called send email that sends a confirmation email. We can also go and check the send email method. It's here. I refer to the user email, the first name and the last name, and the required information like the template ID, the user ID from the email.js template. So on running this React app, we get the following. As we can see here, we can inspect it by going to the network. We got 8 requests. For the different element and aspects of the this component. Now we can test the error messages. If I try to submit the form without item donated, I will get this error message telling me to please choose one item greater than 0. Another error message telling me to fill the details. I will try to make the email in a wrong format. Here telling me please enter your another submitting the form and me for the donation, and also provides me what I've donated, and also these are the users being registered, and this corresponds to a email has been sent, a confirmation email has been sent to the user. So we can prove this actually by going to the database and we will find out that a donation ID or a donation with a donation ID 52 has been created. This time roughly corresponds to this moment, time and date. The difference is just 1 minute. And also to prove that the relationships working perfectly within this database, we will go to user ID 49 and we will find it here. It's called Sufyan Al Tayyib, has the following telephone number, and also this applies to the user ID. If I go to my emails, I got a confirmation email from Step Up to Play thanking me for the donation and also provide me with a reference number for future use. Thank you very much.